happens when I fucking check talk. You can check my YouTube, I'm still getting checks in. Binary trigger on the case, I'm like a fucking Mac 10. I got his temple with a Draco, they tryna put it back in. I got his little bitch in my room, she ain't her doing nail game.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Re-Rock Tactical. Re-Rock smack the deuce. You see me out and look at me too long, I might end up smacking. But look, we in this, bro, today. Bro. Dude. Today we got a crazy unboxing video, bro. But before I tell y'all what the unboxing video, well, I'm going to tell y'all anyway. You probably seen the title and the thumbnail, so you already know. I'm going to just tell y'all first. Super safety. Going in the 300 blackout. I did take this off. This was my micro lower, but I'm like, actually, super safe not going in here. Flex 3 and Mars going in here. Boom. 2 Draco triggers. It is clear. 2 Draco triggers coming, bro. Y'all see the Mike Drake, dude. Sweet. With some, with an FRT ski? Mike Drake with FRT coming soon. So let's get right. Who that say right there, y'all boys? Let me see. Get focused. Come on now. Come on now. Mars triggers. Good looking, man. Thank y'all. We got some crazy stuff coming. If y'all need an FRT, it's super safe. Y'all better go to Mars Triggers. Matter of fact, y'all bet not go to Mars Triggers. I'm telling y'all not to go to Mars Triggers. Why would you want to go to Mars Triggers? Why you want a super safety? Why you want an FRT? Link will be in the description, in the bio though. Link to their page, to their IG, all that. Boom, we gonna bust that right down. What they send y'all baby? Some draws? Oh, schnizzle. Damn. Okay, they sent your boy a shirt. With the yeah on the back. Come on now, stop playing with him. Mars Triggers, bro. Y'all see? I will be wearing this in the video. Mars Triggers. Okay, I fuck with the T. Hold on. Because you know your baby a little big. What they give me. Like real shit, bro. You gotta be kidding me, gang. I know I just said I did 1,000,000 push-ups the other day, but gang. A medium gang. But I ain't gonna lie. I feel like I could fit this medium. Let me find out. I've been in the gym for real on that type of. I've been in the gym for real. So look, we gonna see if I really got skinny at this shit. But good looking on this shirt, cause guess what? If I can't fit it, I'm gonna make something with a BBL wear while we at the range. Something with a real big juicy BBL gonna wear this for me. Force. We make last in 4 seconds. Cool. Hey, that's hard. 40 seconds. No, not 4 seconds. I give 40 seconds. But yeah, what it say? Mars Triggers. Come on, dog. Quit doing that. There we go. Mars Triggers, gang. Y'all can get up with them if y'all want to. Okay, boom. First, we got the AK FRT parts kit. AK we got. Super safe. Super safe. This is right here. I ain't even really got to say too much. This that FRT parts kit right here. Fuck it, FRT, nigga. Let's go. AK, they show love. What you talking about? Let's look at this super safe. We're gonna see how quality is made in. All that. So boom. You get your shave rounded detent. Boom. Put that back in the bag. You get your lever to make it super safe. They say it don't work without this lever. I don't know what this is. And then you get the super safe itself. We go super safe, motherfucker. It fucked my head up, y'all, because I thought they sent me 2 AK FRT triggers, bro. I wouldn't have been mad. They gave me a sticker. We make last in 4 seconds. Cool. One of these going on my safe. One of these going on my. Now let's see what come with the Cause I don't know, look, I'm gonna be real. Somebody over there lasts 4 seconds, cause they keep saying they make lasting 4 seconds cool. So what come in the FRT kit? Got the bar. A pen holder. Super safe trigger. FRT trigger. The Mars AK FRT trigger. All this stuff came from Mars. All this stuff came from Mars. Now I can assemble it on here, but go to the Patreon. Y'all will see me assemble it. So these is all the parts to the AK FRT kit. Dude, we finna go crazy. Mars FRT in a Drake. Well, I can't even put the Mars FRT in a Drake because I don't want to cut none of my union in the back. I don't want to cut none of that. But y'all know I fuck with the Mini. I got a Z-Pap. So I think I'm going to put it in the Z-Pap because I got a brace on there. I just ain't did the reveal on the YouTube. Got an FN 510 I haven't showed y'all. I done updated the 22 slide. I ain't put it on there. I can't even tell y'all. Look, just stay tuned. No. I got 4 binaries so far. Flex Industries sending me 2 more. Flex Industries are sending me 2 more little new triggers. Okay, they sending a AK Flex. And then they sending me the Flex MR3. Okay, so that's gonna be 5. What's this Gen 3 G Flex? Gen 3 G Flex trigger. Show y'all it's really binary. When you pull it, it shoots. When you release it, shoot. See what I'm saying? So, hold the trigger down, look. It's a G-Flex trigger in there. My Glock 22. I have ordered a new slide. Got a new slide coming. G-Flex stand in there. I don't really want a new frame because ain't too much wrong with the frame. I really just want a new slide. I want to get some cuts, put an optic, you know? Because this was my everyday carry gun. But I got some. The Flex 3MR will be going on this 300 blackout. Only because the lower is a 3-position lower and the Flex 3MR is a 3-position trigger. So be on the lookout for that video, man. Flex 3MR. Boom. Shout out to Mars, bro. They sent us the AK FRT and the AR Super Safety. Boy, I tell you. We finna go crazy. We finna go crazy, boy. We finna go crazy, boy. AK, FRT ski. Y'all know who to go fuck with, man. Mars triggers, bro. Y'all know who to go fuck with, bro. Cause I know they say they make lasting 4 seconds cool. You niggas lasting 4 seconds, bro. Y'all girls already told me. You hear me? I ain't gonna lie. They already told me, bro. Because I'm giving them 40 seconds. So that's feel like heaven to them. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and be on the lookout, bro. We got fire content coming soon. When I say fire content, I'm gonna do an all binary, all fully ranged vlog. You see what I'm saying? Y'all stay tapped in. Thank you, Mars Triggers. If you want to see me install the Super Safety, follow my Patreon. Subscribe me on Patreon. It will be in the bio. I'm going to be installing all of my triggers on there because I can't do it on YouTube. But just stay tuned, bro, because we still got more reviews from different products coming. We got a lot of stuff coming. So y'all make sure y'all stay tapped in. Like I say, Mars Triggers, bro. They make 4 seconds lasting cool. A whole clip in 4 seconds is insane, man. It's crazy, bro. Like, comment, and subscribe, man.